Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem a gift card on Instacart. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you received a gift card on Instacart from work, or maybe a family member or a friend. How do you actually go ahead and redeem that gift card? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Instacart. Next, click on your profile icon on the upper right hand corner. From here, you want to go ahead and click on credits, promos, and gift cards. And then afterwards, underneath where it says credits, click on add. So this is where you're going to enter your gift card code, which should be found on the back of the gift card, and then click on redeem. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and redeem a gift card on Instacart. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.